Hello everyone, welcome to the daily UI session today. And today we're gonna do a very simple icon set. Alright, so this icon set is gonna comprise of different icons. This is a fairly short session today because what we're gonna do is just put together a set of icons. Right. So for this, what I'll do is I'm going to um, I'm just gonna take a iPad minis, you know, 11 inch iPad Pro 11 inch, and I'll flip this. I'm gonna create an icon set, and to start off with, I'm going to actually make it black background. Let me try to give that glass effect, or yeah, let me get a 20 pixel of radius. Fine. So the next thing would be to okay. So the first thing before we add the icons, I would be doing the glass effect. For that, just give me a minute. Now I want to do the actual glass morphism. I mean, like the proper one. But a simple plain one would be what I'm gonna do. Right. So the first thing is I'm gonna put up the color here. Just arrange it here. It's gonna be C4, C4, C4. Fine. And the next thing would be to actually change this to linear, right? Then change this to white, right? And make this a bit different. Wait, you're gonna start with 10 here and give it up to 40. Fine. And I'm going to I'm gonna still have to add a few effects in the back, maybe like circles or something like that. The next thing is I'm gonna add a effect, and this will be background blur. Fine. In the background blur, I'm gonna set it to 40, maybe around 40, 45, 50. You're not able to see anything here, so what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna create a few circles to give that added effect. Put it in the back. And for this, Let me find really good gradients. Top 36 top gradients. So let me search for that. Top gradients. Top 36 beautiful gradients for next project. So let's see what kind of a gradient we can go with here, and something that should be bright and lovely to look at. So you can go with something like this. I mean, this Bloody Mary, what they call this gradient. I really like it. So and I'm gonna go with this. I mean, the gradient itself looks so wonderful. Let me actually reduce the size of this. And let me copy this and paste it here. Get this to a smaller size. I'm just giving that effect. You can change the gradient to make it a little different. You can get this here and you can put this here. Right, so I just copy this, paste it here. Fine, so I'm just getting that effect for the class morphism. And the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be adding a stroke. Fine, and for this itself, stroke also will be linear. Starting would be white color and the ending would be something with this color. I mean, to get the beautification is what I'm gonna do. Fine, so the stroke, make it a bit thicker because you're not able to see the stroke, right? Let me add more layers, for example. So this one can be orange. Let me reduce this 65, 70, 70. Fine. You can see the beautiful edges that makes it stand out, right? And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop shadow, right? The same thing. Hey, sorry, drop shadow. This is maybe I'm going to reduce the spread. I don't want any spread, right? But I want a lot of blur in the shadow. You can see a slight difference. I don't know how great the difference is. Fine. So the next thing would be to type in the heading. Let me choose the font which I usually like to use. Not this one. Where is that? Just sorry, I'm just scrolling through. I'm just trying to find that. Yeah. Hey, this outfit. What? Okay, wait. Where have I used? So, guys, these are just the pages for the next upcoming daily UI challenges, which I'm gonna do. Yeah, I got it here. So I can set. So I'm gonna increase this to 36, just in heading. Or I don't know, it comes as icon set, I guess. Concept. Right. And here, what I'm gonna have to do is first I'll have to get the icons. I mean, for that, let me get the background ready. Fine. So the next thing I want to do is you can see this layer options, how it's gonna happen. So you can click on this overlay. You can see how now it has changed. Let me make it 40. We'll get this set, but it's in full white. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is put it here. Why is this? Yeah, I'm missing out something. Oh yeah, yeah, I have to get this noise plugin. So you add this noise to give that texture, right? That feel. So for that, what you do is you add this texture. You can make the density more or less, right? Let me make it 300 by 300, maybe like 350. So guys, I think I hope you guys remember. Okay, wait, what's happening? It's in black color. I mean, it should come in white. Hey. Let me try to get this plugin. I'm so sorry. I ran the wrong plugin. It's not Unsplash. It's noise. Yes, this is the one. Fine. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this effect exactly to this box. I'm gonna make this as color button. Okay, wait. Let me do one thing. Let me do color button now. This is not happening. Oh, lol. Hmm. I don't know. I'm just gonna use this regular thing because my Figma is acting weird lately today. Let me just a bit more. Fine. Let me go to this icon set also. Let me give you a little more of spacing. Then change this to normal. Yeah, give that sharp effect, and this rectangle can be yeah, looks way better. And the next thing we'll be doing is adding the icons. So guys, here we have many options. We have bootstrap icons and material icons. So I'll show you how to get different icons, right? You can always go to Google and Google the best icons that you want, fine. So I'm just gonna show you the various icons. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is icons. So you guys can choose what kind of icons you want here. Fine. You choose bootstrap, you have icons 8, you have phosphor icons. Let me try out phosphor icons today. I haven't tried it out. So then what you do is after you add in the plugin, right click here and don't run the last plugin. So here you have phosphor icons, right? So let it load, give it some time to load. It depends on the internet speed and your system. So here I have some pretty decent pretty nice icons. So you have your different sizes: light, thin, regular, bold, duotone. See, look, you can see here there's duotone, there's this regular, right? Let me go for a little bold because that is too bold. So let me see different icons. So let me see contacts would be going, and then you click and it will keep adding up here. I'll show you where it will be. Fine. Then we will have next icon would be, this looks like a dribble icon, basketball, and Bluetooth, a car app icon, and let me see, what is this? I think I've seen this somewhere. Command, yeah, it's called command. And the money icon. Then we have, let me see here. So you guys can decide on your own what kind of. So this is the Play Store icon and Chrome icon, GitLab icon. These icons I know, so I'm just choosing the, the few. Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Word. I'm just using the apps many people know, so that you have some similarity. Check. Then this can be like a file manager, maybe like a sticker manager. Fine. So what I'll do is I'll get each of this. I'll make it 40, or I think 50 would be a good size. Fine. So what I'll do is select all of these icons. All these icons are out of the frame, so I'll just choose all these icons and I'll put it back in the frame. I mean, this is a pretty, it looks like a long task, but trust me, it's not. There are so many other things which are a lot more to do than this. So I'll make this all around 50 at once, or let me give it a 70. Nice big icons. 80. I know this all looks scrambled up. You can lock the layer here, so you don't have it disturbing. Now lock, put the layers. So now these are now going to move. I'm going to make this also 80. Right. Then this will be the dribble icon. Let me give a good spacing between each one of it. Let me give a Bluetooth icon here, car icon here. Let's have equal spacing. You get to know by moving it like this. See, there's equal spacing of 57. So I'm going to try to get this to 57 as well. Yeah, fine. So this can be the money app icon. I mean, you can have more defined icons of your choice, and I can add this place to icon. Fine. This is all one set. Fine. Before I color it, and the next thing will be the Chrome. Maybe with spacing. It's the GitLab's icon. You can see how clearly it's showing, like, if it is color correctly placed or not. Make sure it's aligned well, because the beauty is always in alignment, the symmetry, right? And Figma makes it way easier for you to do. So these are the icons aligned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I can get 2 more. So 12 icons more, and we got a phosphor. Try to use a similar kind of icons, so you have that consistency in your design, right? If you do not have the similar kind of icons, you lose the consistency and it does not look good. And if it does not look good, I mean, it's a UI design, not just a UX design. So I hope you guys understand that prospect of it. So next, okay, there was a Behance. Yeah, Behance logo I'll add in, and then there will be, let me say, another logo. Come on, anyone in the comment section, you want to put up any logo you guys think we can add in? Oh, just a minute. There are two more logos here. I didn't know. We make this 82, 82, 80. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose all of this, and you can see it's all out of the frame. I'm gonna put all inside the frame, right? Here, so 49. You can just choose both at once, make it 80, and okay, I'll tell you why this is happening. These two are still outside, so now you can see the alignment will come. So let me go simple with 3 rows and color it. No, so let me Control Alt P you can use, or you can click on Run Last plugin. And here let me choose a few. Let me choose an alien icon. This is airplay icon. One more icon, and that, let me see what's the last lucky icon, and it would be a settings icon. That's called a gear. Put this all here, make it all 80. Okay, why did I unlock this? Yeah, so this is aligned, and yeah, now it's all aligned. So let me go one by one. So this one I'll be making it a blue color because I've seen many phone books in blue, maybe a bit lighter blue. Fine. And dribble, let us search dribble no color code, and I can go with pink, but then I want to be accurate as much as possible. I don't want to get sued by dribble, right? So, and then a Bluetooth would be more like a dark blue, right? And the strokes are all 2. You can change the strokes here. And the car, let's make it a red in color. Let's give it a linear. I'll show you how you can work this out. This one can be a bit orange. This is just a green one. I mean, dollars is green. That's all I've known since the time I know dollars. This Play Store logo, right? So what I'm going to do here is color code. So what we are gonna do here is we are gonna give a combination of gradients. Let's start with the blue. Look how beautiful it will turn out now. So first I'm gonna get this, fine. Then I'm gonna add one more, and it's gonna be this color. And I'm gonna add this yellow. I'm gonna make this also 100%. Then finally the red. You guys are gonna see how beautiful it's gonna turn out. I mean, I like it. Look at that. It's a mix of colors. I like it. You want minimal logo, so you got a minimal logo. Fine. So let me make all of this like 3. Now let me make it all 3, a bit thicker to get that logo look. And I think Chrome will be the same. Chrome logo colors. Yeah, this has these 4 colors. I mean, it's more dark. Let us see how this comes out. I'm guessing it would be the same, or let us keep it radial. I'm just changing this angular diamond radial. So I'm just changing this to start out with blue, then with the red. You just click here, you get a red. You click here and increase this color. Right, you can see this changing. Fine.